Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lemonade pink step by step. Start with fresh lemon juice, water, simple syrup, and a tiny amount of beet juice or strained strawberry puree to tint the drink. Stir until evenly colored. Taste and balance acidity with more syrup or a pinch of salt, chill thoroughly, and serve over ice with lemon slices. This method keeps flavors bright and color natural for refreshing summer sips. Measure carefully for consistent results. Use 1 cup lemon juice, 4 cups water, and 1 cup simple syrup, then add coloring slowly. For beet juice, start with 1 teaspoon and increase to taste, or use 2 tablespoons of strawberry puree for milder flavor. Always strain puree to avoid grit and test color against a white background for accurate shade. Keep extras refrigerated and use within 3 days for best freshness. Adjust sweetness to suit guests. Quick ad break. If this tutorial helps, please subscribe and like so you don't miss more easy recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I wear them when juicing and they stay comfy. Check the description for the link and other deals. It's a small thing that makes prep more pleasant. Now let's get back to the video. Combine lemon juice and syrup in a pitcher, then add most of the water and stir well to dissolve sugars before coloring. Add beet juice or puree gradually, stir, and check color under bright light. A little goes a long way. Serve with ice, lemon slices, and optional mint, and label as natural pink lemonade for clarity. Offer sugar or honey on the side to let guests tweak sweetness. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.